To change the batteries on your second generation Interlogix glass break sensor, you'll want to remove the screw located here at the bottom. It is a small Phillips screw. Once the screw's been removed, you'll be able to remove the bulk of the item away from the wall, leaving the mounting plate attached to the wall. From there, on the inside, we'll have easy access to the batteries. In this case, it is 2 CR123 batteries that will need to be removed. These batteries can be bought at most drugstores or found online. When reattaching the batteries, we want to make sure that we follow the guide displayed here, with positives pointing towards each other. Ensuring that the batteries are in tight, we'll want to reattach to the mounting plate. The best way to do this is to start from the top. They'll lock in and then close. When it's tight, we'll be able to reapply the screw in the bottom.